Hey everybody, let's learn something new today with Mr. Mosley, the music teacher. This month, we will discover one of the greatest musicians in history. This music lesson is about the life and times of artist, songwriter, producer, and fashion designer, Kanye West. Ye, more commonly known by his birth name, Kanye West, was born on June 8, 1977, in Atlanta, Georgia. He was raised in Chicago, Illinois, and attended the Vanderpoel Elementary Magnet School. In 1987, when Kanye West was 10 years old, he lived in China for a year while his mother, Donda West, taught at Nanjing University as part of an exchange program. When Kanye West was 14 years old, his mother noticed his passion for music and introduced him to her friend's son, a young upcoming producer, Dion Wilson, known professionally as No ID, who took Kanye under his wing and mentored him in the fundamentals of music production. In 2015, the global athletic brand Adidas announced the launch of a long-term partnership with Kanye West, creating an innovative line of footwear, apparel, and accessories. Kanye West met young fashion designer Virgil Abloh in the early 2000s while he was working on his designs at a Chicago print shop. Down through the years, the pair collaborated on several projects, and in 2018, Virgil Abloh made history, becoming the first person of African descent to lead a major French fashion house when he was named artistic director of Louis Vuitton's menswear line. Kanye West is one of the world's best-selling music artists, with over 160 million records sold. He has received many awards and recognition throughout his amazing career, including 22 Grammy Awards, a Billboard Achievement Award, 3 Brit Awards, a Webby Award, a Clio Award, the Michael Jackson Video Vanguard Award, and in 2021, he was named Songwriter of the Year at the BMI Trailblazers of Gospel Music Awards. Test your knowledge. Number 1. Where was Kanye West born? A. Atlanta, Georgia. B. Queens, New York. C. Los Angeles, California. Or D. Chicago, Illinois. Number 2. How many Grammy Awards has Kanye West received? A. 5, B. 17, C. 22, or D. 31? Number 3. Kanye West lived in which country when he was 10 years old? A. Canada, B. China, C. Germany, or D. Spain? In 2015, Kanye West collaborated with which athletic brand to produce a new line of footwear, apparel, and accessories? A. Under Armour, B. Puma, C. Nike, or D. Adidas? Number 5. Which record producer mentored Kanye West when he was 14 years old? A. Dr. Dre, B. Timbaland, C. No ID, or D. Pharrell Williams? Number 6. Which fashion designer collaborated with Kanye West on several projects throughout his career? A. Marc Jacobs, B. Virgil Abloh, C. Tom Ford, or D. Karl Kani? a nice day, everybody. See you next time with Mr. Mosley, the music teacher.